Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the date of birth on Facebook on laptop. We start by opening our Facebook profile in the browser. Then we will click on the account icon. After that, click on Settings and Privacy, and then click on Settings. Then we enter the Account Center option. Here we are going to click on Personal Details and then on the Birthday section. After that, we will click on Edit. Afterwards, a panel will appear where we can select the new date of birth to configure. When you finish, you can click on Save. Keep in mind that depending on the number of changes you have made, you may have to wait some time to be able to modify the date of birth. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.